Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today is January 22nd, 2025, and we're tackling the QQQ, the Invesco QQQ Trust. Recent news suggests a positive outlook for the Nasdaq, with major indices showing upward trends. However, we must also consider potential factors like geopolitical events and economic data that could affect the market. Let's begin our analysis by looking at the daily chart to understand the broader trend of QQQ. Looking at the daily chart, we observe a recent upward trend in QQQ's price. This suggests bullish sentiment, with investors anticipating further growth. However, we also note some periods of consolidation and minor pullbacks. The 380 to 400 range seems to be acting as a strong support level. Meanwhile, the 410 to 420 range has served as resistance in the past. A decisive break above 420 could signal a stronger upward movement. Now, let's zoom into the 1-hour chart to see the short-term price action. Here, we can see the price fluctuating within a narrower range. Support and resistance levels on this chart are more dynamic, changing more frequently. For instance, the 515 to 520 range might be acting as temporary resistance. A significant break above this range could trigger a short-term rally. Let's take a closer look at the 15-minute chart to see the market dynamics in greater detail. The 15-minute chart highlights a volatile price movement in recent hours. We can observe some short-term reversals and consolidation periods. The market's behavior seems to be driven by short-term news and trading activity. In addition, we can see some small gaps in between consecutive candles indicating the trading halt. To illustrate short-term volatility, let's examine the candles between 173710000000 and 173714000000 milliseconds on the 15-minute chart. As we see here, the price fluctuates noticeably within a short period. This confirms what we've discussed about the chart's higher volatility in this time frame. Traders must remain alert to short-term developments. In summary, the QQQ shows a bullish long-term trend, but with short-term volatility. Key support levels are around 380 to 400 daily chart and 510 to 515 1-hour chart. Key resistance levels include 410 to 420 daily chart and 515 to 520 1-hour chart. A break above the respective resistance levels would strengthen the bullish outlook. Conversely, a drop below the respective support levels could trigger short-term bearish reversals. The likelihood of a short-term price increase is moderate, contingent upon positive news and investor sentiment. Keep an eye on upcoming economic news releases and any major technological breakthroughs which could significantly shift the market sentiment. Technical indicators such as RSI, MACD, and volume analysis can give further context and potentially signal reversals. These short-term movements are part of the broader upward trend shown in the daily chart. Remember to always practice risk management in any of your trades,